Unearthing urban relics and transforming city-found objects into industrial statement furniture begins with a shift in perception, a willingness to look at the grimy, forgotten fragments of the urban landscape not as waste, but as raw material rich with story, strength, and aesthetic potential. In cities, discarded pipes lie half-buried behind construction sites. Rusted grates are pulled from sidewalks and replaced without a second thought, and bent street sign remnants or decommissioned railings quietly accumulate in scrap yards, each bearing the marks of weather, traffic, time, and human use. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. These objects have already lived hard, functional lives, and that history becomes the foundation of their value when approached through thoughtful design and skilled craftsmanship. The transformation process begins with careful selection, because not every piece of urban scrap carries the same structural integrity or visual character. A pipe might be chosen for the way its corrosion has created a deep, matte patina, while a steel grate might be selected for its repetitive geometry, worn smooth in places by decades of footsteps. This initial act of curation is essential, as it defines the language of the finished furniture and ensures that the final piece feels intentional rather than improvised. Once brought into the workshop, these city relics are meticulously cleaned, not to erase their past, but to stabilize them. Layers of dirt, oil, and flaking rust are removed with wire brushes, grinders, or chemical baths, revealing the honest surface beneath while preserving the textures that make the material visually compelling. Structural weaknesses are addressed through welding, reinforcement, or selective cutting, allowing the maker to maintain the raw aesthetic without compromising safety or durability. Precision fabrication techniques then come into play, transforming what were once purely functional urban components into furniture that commands attention. Pipes become table bases or chair frames through carefully measured cuts and expertly executed welds, ensuring symmetry, balance, and load-bearing strength. Rusted grates are repurposed as cabinet fronts, shelving surfaces, or headboards, their industrial patterns contrasting beautifully with reclaimed wood or smooth stone. Street sign remnants, often coated in layers of faded paint and reflective material, are flattened, trimmed, and framed into tabletops or bench surfaces, where their graphic remnants subtly reference the city life they once directed. The reason for focusing so intently on precise fabrication is rooted in the desire to elevate these materials beyond novelty. Without craftsmanship, reclaimed city objects risk appearing like unfinished experiments, but with careful joins, clean edges, and deliberate proportions, they become refined statement pieces that belong in curated interiors. Every weld is ground smooth where the hand might touch, every joint aligned so the furniture feels solid and trustworthy, and every surface treated with sealants or waxes that protect without masking authenticity. This balance between rawness and refinement is where industrial statement furniture truly comes alive. The inherent beauty of reclaimed city materials lies in their imperfections, but it is the discipline of design that allows those imperfections to feel luxurious rather than chaotic. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Sustainability is woven naturally into this process, not as a marketing angle, but as a practical outcome of reuse. By working with materials already extracted, manufactured, and discarded, the maker reduces the demand for new resources while giving extended life to objects that would otherwise rust away unseen. This approach resonates deeply in a time when consumers increasingly seek furniture with meaning, pieces that tell a story beyond their function. An industrial table crafted from old water pipes and street grates carries with it the invisible narrative of the city itself, of infrastructure and movement, of labor and decay, reinterpreted into something intimate and domestic. The furniture becomes a bridge between public and private spaces, allowing the energy of the urban environment to enter the home in a controlled, artistic way. High-value statement furniture emerges from this process because each piece is inherently one of a kind. No two rust patterns are identical, no two reclaimed objects share the same scars, and no two urban environments weather materials in the same way. This uniqueness, paired with solid construction and thoughtful design, justifies premium pricing and attracts clients who value exclusivity and authenticity. These buyers are not simply purchasing a table, shelf, or seating piece. They're investing in a conversation starter, a sculptural object that anchors a space and reflects a conscious lifestyle choice. The transformation of urban relics into furniture also challenges traditional notions of beauty by proving that elegance can be found in what cities discard. Bent metal, chipped paint, and oxidized surfaces become assets rather than flaws, contributing depth and visual interest that mass-produced furniture cannot replicate. As these industrial statement pieces take shape, the workshop becomes a place of quiet dialogue between past and present, where the rigid functionality of urban infrastructure is softened into human-scale design. The final result stands as evidence that sustainable design does not require sacrificing boldness or sophistication. On the contrary, by embracing the inherent strength and visual richness of reclaimed city materials, makers can create furniture that feels grounded, powerful, and enduring. Unearthing urban relics is ultimately an act of respect, acknowledging the hidden potential in the overlooked and proving that with skill, patience, and vision, the discarded fragments of city life can be transformed into furniture that is not only functional, but deeply expressive, carrying the soul of the streets into refined, modern living spaces. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.